Good morning. Welcome to day 7 on the Cape Wrath. Just leaving Maol, Bothy, I think it's called. I said it wrong, I know I did, but I just wanted to say something close to it. It's one of those mornings on the Cape Wrath. Got a little bit of rain all day today. The cloud is down. Navigation should be fine. We got three capable lads together doing it, so we'll be fine. We've got 12 miles to to Strathcarron. 12 miles to Strathcarron, and then we'll see how far we're going to push on after that. So I'm going to keep the video short today because of the weather. Don't want to have my phone out. So I'll try to get some footage as we go. If the rain stays like this, which is kind of just a drizzle, I can do some filming. So see how it goes. Stay tuned, guys. Cheers. We've been bushwhacking. No path through here. Walking. The Bothy is just in the distance there. Yeah, just been bushwhacking really. Challenging terrain. My feet are soaking wet. Ankle's a little sore this morning still, but it's okay. Sorry for the wobbly camera. I'm looking down and looking up, but yeah, clouds in. Let's keep moving. Out the lock-in view now. Path dead ahead.
Stand by the lock side.
Just made sight of the Bothy that we're going to be going past. I'm going to pull in there for a little bit of a breather. Yeah, it's probably about 20 minutes away from the trail. Just continuing on this 4x4 track now for a while. Leonard's over there in front of us. Yeah, 20 minutes. Let's make it into the Bothy now. A couple minutes away. Pretty easy track to follow, just 4x4 track. Ups and downs a few bits, but it's fine. Gonna take a break in the Bothy. Also wanted to mention about last night because yesterday's video didn't have map time because I was in the Bothy with about 12 people and just no place to do it really. So we had a good time all around the fire, chatting, eating our dinners and stuff. It was really nice talking about Cape Wrath and all the other stuff we've done. Bothy experience it was really good. Didn't get much sleep though. It's just my inflatable mattress, it's got a leak. Got to figure that out. Might just have to live with it. Hopefully tonight I'll be in the tent and we could get back to map time, and I'll probably do a recap for what I did all the way back from Shield Bridge. So from Morvik campsite. I'll do a recap for tonight so you can see the path, and I'll talk about it a bit. So stay tuned to the end of the video for that. And it's going to be could be a big day today. I'm not sure. Might be doing 24 miles, depending how my leg is. Or I might stop at the Bothy just after Strathcarron. There's a Bothy just after that. If we don't stop at that one, we'll push on to Ling Hut and camp next to that. So it makes Friday into Fionnaraich Chew a little bit shorter because we're going to do the bit that goes over the challenging terrain. So that's the plan. So let's get into this Bothy and put our feet up. 3 minutes, then we'll push on. All right, made it to the Bothys now. Gonna go in there, put our feet up, and see how it goes. Oh, I think I need to go around. Yeah, you can't get through here. There's the Bothys. Gotta go around. All right, we're back at it again. Left the Bothy. Walking on the gravel track for a bit here. Got the river next to us. Weather's, I would say, improved a bit. Cloud is lifted. It's just about 10 o'clock now. So it's looking good. Off to Strathcarron for a break there. That's about 5k away now, Strathcarron is. 2.5 miles roughly, and then we'll be at Strathcarron, have a break there. But yeah, very bleak Scottish countryside. The lads walking across the bridge, taking in the sights. A lot of water running down there. Lots of water. Lots of water. Look at that. Wow. Oh man. Woo. Wow, hold on to your phone, Charles. Jeez. All right. Bushwhacking up this beelach here. Quite challenging terrain. Oh, I see a person coming our way, and we're going over this beelach up here. Straight up. There's a couple locks on the top. We'll see you shortly. Okay, so we made it on top of the beelach, and we're just walking across these two lochans. I think one of them's Lochlan Fada. I can't remember if that name is right, but beautiful up here. Clouds still kind of above us, not too far high, so we're in it kind of. Yeah. Just keep moving. The lads are getting too far away from me. Another lock-in we come around to. Just heading up. I think I'm heading up there. I think. Not sure. I need to look at the map. The guys have gone ahead of me a bit. So yeah, nice new lock-in up here. We'll keep moving forward down to Strathcarron. All right, just making our way down to Strathcarron now. Just seeing the sea level down there in the distance. So we're not far out now, probably half an hour till we get to the to Strathcarron. There's a hotel we're going to get, because it's open. We're going to get a pint and maybe some chips or something like that, just a little bit of energy, and then push on to where we end up for the rest of the day. So it's been quite boggy and wet today so far. It's midday now, it's 12 o'clock, so it's been quite challenging section. So far so good though. Yeah, let's get down. First vision of Strathcarron. So make this short because I need to keep moving, but yeah, that's it down there. We're going to try to find the hotel and get us something to eat, maybe a pint. Let's keep moving and get down there. All right, made it to the Strathcarron Hotel. I'm gonna find a place to sit down now and get something to drink, maybe something to eat. Let's do that. Okay, we had some food at the hotel in Strathcarron. Burger and chips and a pint. Got re-energized, refueled, as you would say. We're walking with Emma from Canada in front. We got Leonard from Belgium. We got Malk from Preston in England. And we got me from USA, England. So yeah, we're pushing on to the Bothy now. 9k to get there, 9 kilometers. Shouldn't be too bad. There is a big elevation climb. If we make it to Ling's Hut, there is a big elevation climb. But we'll see how it goes. See how it goes. Spoke to my wife, Tiffany, my lovely wife, Tiffany. She gave me inspiration. Keep going, Charles. You're doing a good job. Walk your own walk. Enjoy yourself. Which is what I'm doing. Thank you, honey, for your inspiration. These These guys are faster walkers than me though. They're young. Well, Malk's not older than me, but he's also he's a spine runner. The Pennine Way Spine Challenge he does in the winter, so he's an athlete, a special athlete to be honest. And everyone else is a lot younger than me, so those two can push the miles, so I can't. So we'll see how the day goes. Pretty epic waterfall coming down up there. Lots of water rushing. Cool bridge to cross. Alright guys, made it to the Bothy here. I'm going to be stopping here. This is going to be where we spend the night. It's a pretty cool area. Just coming down here to the water now to have a soak with my feet and get myself cleaned up for relaxing in the Bothy for the evening. It's 4 o'clock now, so it's a good time to stop. Soak my feet because they are sore. There you go. Beautiful, isn't it? I have a swim too, maybe. Let's see. Alright guys, welcome to map time. So just on the other side of the page here is Movic. Don't really need to show you that, it's just walking out of the campsite. So you come out of the campsite through the woods here, and then it's a pretty long stretch of uphill, this section here, all the way to the falls, and then you kind of drop down a bit to get to the falls. So it's, like I said, it's a pretty long way uphill. Then you drop down to the falls. We had a clear day going through the falls, so really easy for me, I think. There's a few little scrambly bits, but nothing hard. It was dry, so in wet conditions it could probably be a whole different ball game, but it was dry coming through there. So a few little scrambly bits, nothing difficult in dry conditions. And then you drop down over here, cross over the bridge, and then onto the main 4-wheel drive track. Now, choose yours left or right. We obviously went right. So right down a long dirt path, really long one. Felt like I ran on forever, to be honest. And then we had a break at the Iron Lodge, and then pushed on up this steep climb. This was really steep, all the way following the track. Pretty easy to follow, to be honest. Made it to Maol Bothy, which we spent the night at. That was the end of day 6 or 5. I can't remember now. This was yesterday. I can't remember which day that was anyway. So we stayed at the Bothy, and then this morning we pushed on. This is today now. We pushed on about 7 o'clock, and we went all the way up here around the lock-in, which was pretty straightforward. This part was a little tricky, but pretty straightforward. And then around here down to this Bothy where we took a little bit of a break. Pretty straightforward. Took a break there. All this is pretty straightforward, this track. Now this track here over the Bhuidhe, once you leave this main 4-wheel drive track, is quite tricky. It's quite boggy, uphill, but not too bad. It took us about 30 minutes to get up this bit on top of the Bhuidhe. Once you get up there, the track alongside the lock-in is pretty straightforward. And all this did run forever, but it was a good track. There was quite a few people coming up here that we saw, but it was a good track all the way down into Strathcarron. Now, we didn't finish at Strathcarron. We had some lunch and some food, and we continued on from Strathcarron, which is here. Just followed the river here, straightforward again. Crappy road walk, stored my feet, and then up. And this was really straightforward too, just uphill over a long, wasn't too steep, and then into the Bothy, which is here. And that's where we're camped tonight at. Finished here. So we're at the Bothy now, and we'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow morning. Take care and have a good night.